Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, let's do a quick review and the unboxings of these new earbuds. This is actually Serena. Before moving on to what makes this earbud so special, let's check what's inside its box first. The case of these earbuds comes with 800 mAh of battery, making it the longest mic listening experience earbuds. With constant charging with the case, these earbuds can be used up to 50 hours, which is much longer than the AirPods Pro, the third generation. As mentioned in the Apple forum, the AirPods Pro third generation can be last up to 30 hours. What is even more special about Acuity Serena is that the earbuds themselves can be used up to more than 5 hours with a single charge. And the fast charging feature from this case is automatically activated when the case has more than 30% of battery. With this feature, when you put the earbuds back into the case for 15 minutes, you can use the earbuds to listen to the music for about 60 minutes, which is phenomenal. And to fully charge the case, you only need 2 hours or a bit more to do so. The Acuity Serena are equipped with 3 special modes. The first one is the regular active noise cancellation. It offers 25 dB of noise reduction. The second feature is the super active noise cancellation. This feature offers up to 45 dB of noise reduction, which is much more than the AirPods Pro. As mentioned in one website, the AirPods Pro offers only up to 20 dB of noise reduction. I'm not sure if this report is reliable, but please let me know if you know what exactly the decibel offered in the AirPods Pro. The third feature is the hear-through. This feature allows you to listen to your surroundings and engage in conversation without having to remove the earbuds. This feature is exact same to the one in the AirPods Pro, known as transparency. To activate each of these modes, all you have to do is just to, tap 3 times on the earbud. So 1, 2, 3. And then each mode will be activated. And then if you want to change again, all you have to do is just to tap 3 times on either earbud. 1, 2, 3. And then you get different modes activated. The last thing I'd like to talk about these earbuds is the touching sensor. These earbuds do not have any button. All you have to do is just to activate any feature, or the built-in features come with these earbuds only with tapping experience or touching sensor. That is phenomenal. For example, if you want to decrease or increase the volume of your music while you're listening to your favorite song, all you have to do is just to tap 1 time on the left to decrease, the volume, and tap 1 time on the right to increase the volume. One more thing, if you want to ask Siri or you want to ask the Google Assistant, all you have to do is to tap on this earbud either side 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and you will be able to speak to Siri or Google Assistant. It's very convenient, especially when while you're driving or riding, your motorbike. How about the quality? Well, I could say that the quality out of these earbuds is phenomenal. It's wonderful. It's beautiful. With super active noise cancellation, I can enjoy listening to my favorite music with any preferred volume level. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Don't forget to check out this product in this video description. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. And if you haven't done subscribing to this channel, don't forget to do it right now. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Thanks.